OPPO F1 Plus, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the secret code. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the phone's dialer, and here you need to enter the following code. So let's start with the *# 8778#. So as you can see, if you would like to erase all personal data, format or internal storage, restore factory settings, and reset and remove all installed apps, let's choose reset phone. That's it, the device is performing the hard reset, so let's wait until the whole operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so basically everything went well. Now you can start using your device and activating your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.